If this is what you're hearing,
Mom, we're out of hot water again.
this is what you're seeing,
Oh, come on, not again.
and this is what you're thinking.
Oh, that's just great. More money down the drain.
Call the guy on the back of the truck. Get a plumber in your home for free. No dispatch fees. If we don't work, the house call's free.
I'm FH Furrow, the guy to see for all your plumbing needs. And if you see me out there, it's okay to wave.